Hey Kritika, hi.
Hi, Sandeep. Hi.
This is fabulous. Please tell us, first of all, was there anything unusual on your exam? Let's start from there. Did you really feel that something was unusual? Take us both the sections, like one by one, in the quant section
Sure.
or verbal. And did you finish in time or before time, or did you have a time crunch? Yeah.
Sure. To answer your first question, I started off my exam from the quant section because that's how I've always practiced in all of my mocks, and as well as while studying, I've always started with quant.
Mhm.
So, starting with the quant section, I didn't find anything unusual per se. So, a lot of PS questions for me, more than DS, I had a lot of PS questions, and I think algebra was covered extensively during my paper. So, algebra was like the predominant subject through, I think, most of the questions. For the verbal section, nothing unusual at all. I think same standard 4 RC passages. Two of them were quite small. A lot of sentence correction questions and CR questions. Nothing unusual at all. I think, in fact, when Sandeep teaches you prime and octave, and if you really imbibe it into your subconscious, you start to realize that you can actually eliminate so many of the tougher question choices. So, for example, since I scored a V47, which Sandeep has come to tell
By
me
the way, this
before.
is not scored by more than 7, 8 people in the country in a year. Okay, out of 32,000 people officially who write the exam, 47 is not scored by more than 7 people in a year. So that's absolutely fabulous and outstanding.